So for this sketch I started off with a basic animal design. In this case I was using a big cat. I'd got a little head sculpt that I was using to map down my basic anatomy, and from there I planned to create a brand new creature by using dinosaur anatomy. And I also had a little dinosaur skull to help me work out the bones and the shapes. I made sure that for the first part of the sketch I was very light, and I only put down marks that I actually needed. That's why it's a little bit faint at this stage. As I build up the detail and I build up the idea, then I start to put up on layer and different layers, and then so that everyone could see it, I added a darker pencil to refine the detail. So at this stage of the drawing, it's pretty much complete. There are things that I can go through and change, there's things that I can refine. I could redraw it in a different media, so do it in ink, Copic markers. There's loads of possibilities, but this has given me a base level sketch that I can now use, change, and keep on creating with and be inspired by. So I hoped this little sketch of changing a big cat into a scary creature has helped inspire you guys to have a go at drawing different creatures, different real animals, and see what you can change them into. So until next time, all the best to everyone, and happy drawing to you all.